The development of American submarines from World War II to the present day has been marked by significant technological advancements, evolving tactics, and strategic shifts. During World War II, American submarines played a crucial role, particularly in the Pacific theater, where they targeted Japanese supply lines and warships with devastating effect. However, the submarines of that era had several limitations in terms of speed, depth, and endurance. Over the decades, American submarines have evolved into some of the most advanced, stealthy, and capable underwater vessels in the world. In World War II, American submarines, particularly the Gato and Balao class, were formidable for their time. These diesel-electric submarines operated on the surface using diesel engines and submerged using electric motors powered by batteries. While submerged, they could travel silently, albeit at slower speeds and for limited distances. These submarines were well armed with torpedoes and deck guns, and they used innovative tactics to attack enemy convoys and warships. However, they were limited by the need to surface frequently to recharge their batteries, making them vulnerable to enemy detection, particularly by aircraft and surface ships equipped with sonar. The end of World War II and the advent of the Cold War brought about the need for a new kind of submarine, one capable of staying submerged for longer periods and operating more independently. The major breakthrough came with the development of nuclear propulsion. In 1954, the launch of the USS Nautilus marked the beginning of the nuclear-powered submarine era. The Nautilus was the first submarine to be powered by a nuclear reactor, allowing it to remain submerged for weeks or even months without needing to surface for air or fuel. This radically changed submarine warfare, as nuclear-powered submarines were no longer constrained by the surface or limited by battery life. They could travel faster, dive deeper, and remain submerged for far longer than their diesel-electric predecessors. As the Cold War progressed, the U.S. Navy developed two main types of submarines: fast attack submarines and ballistic missile submarines. Fast attack submarines, like the Los Angeles class, were designed to seek out and destroy enemy submarines and surface ships. They were also equipped for intelligence gathering, reconnaissance, and special operations. These submarines became more advanced in their ability to detect and track enemy vessels using increasingly sophisticated sonar systems and quiet propulsion technologies, which reduced the noise made by the submarine and made it harder for enemies to detect them. Ballistic missile submarines, often referred to as boomers, emerged as a key component of the U.S. strategic nuclear deterrence force. The first of these, the USS George Washington, was launched in 1959 and was equipped with Polaris ballistic missiles. These submarines were designed to remain hidden in the depths of the ocean, carrying a payload of nuclear missiles that could be launched in the event of a nuclear conflict. The ability of ballistic missile submarines to remain submerged for long periods, combined with their nuclear missile capabilities, made them a critical part of the U.S. nuclear triad, along with land-based missiles and strategic bombers. Over time, missile technology improved, and the submarines were equipped with more powerful and accurate weapons. Today, Ohio-class ballistic missile submarines carry Trident II D5 missiles, capable of delivering multiple nuclear warheads over vast distances. As technology continued to advance, U.S. submarines became quieter, more efficient, and more lethal. The shift from the Los Angeles-class fast attack submarines to the Seawolf class in the late 20th century marked another leap in capability. The Seawolf-class submarines were faster, quieter, and could dive deeper than any previous American submarine. They were designed during the Cold War to counter the Soviet Union's most advanced submarines. However, the high cost of these submarines led to the production of only 3 Seawolf-class boats. Instead, the U.S. Navy shifted its focus to the Virginia-class submarines. The Virginia-class submarines, introduced in the early 2000s, represent the current generation of U.S. fast attack submarines. These submarines are designed to be versatile and cost-effective, with capabilities tailored to a wide range of missions, from anti-submarine and anti-surface warfare to intelligence gathering and special operations. Virginia-class submarines are equipped with advanced sonar systems, torpedoes, and Tomahawk cruise missiles, making them formidable multi-mission platforms. One of the notable innovations in the Virginia class is the use of vertical launch systems for cruise missiles, which allows for a more flexible weapons payload. They also feature a state-of-the-art fly-by-wire control system, making them easier to maneuver and operate in shallow waters. The modular design of these submarines allows for future upgrades, ensuring they remain at the cutting edge of naval technology. Another key advancement in modern American submarines is stealth. Submarine stealth has become a critical aspect of naval warfare, as the ability to remain undetected is one of a submarine's greatest advantages. Modern U.S. submarines are built with hulls that reduce sonar signatures, and they use special coatings and designs to minimize noise generated by their engines and propellers. Additionally, nuclear-powered submarines have become even quieter over time, thanks to improvements in reactor technology and propulsion systems. In addition to the advancements in submarine technology itself, the role of submarines in warfare has also evolved. During the Cold War, American submarines were primarily focused on tracking and countering Soviet submarines and surface ships. With the dissolution of the Soviet Union, the strategic role of submarines expanded to include more emphasis on special operations and intelligence gathering. Submarines became critical for covert surveillance, as they could operate undetected in hostile waters for long periods, intercepting communications or conducting reconnaissance. Today, the U.S. Navy operates both fast attack and ballistic missile submarines, with a continued focus on innovation and technological superiority. The development of autonomous underwater vehicles, AUVs, and the integration of new technologies like artificial intelligence and advanced sensors will likely shape the future of submarine warfare. Moreover, efforts are underway to replace the aging Ohio-class ballistic missile submarines with the new Columbia-class, which will carry on the role of nuclear deterrence well into the 21st century. In conclusion, the advancement of American submarines from World War II to the present day is a story of remarkable technological progress. From the diesel-electric submarines of the 1940s to today's nuclear-powered, stealthy, and multi-mission platforms, American submarines have become faster, quieter, and more capable. As they continue to evolve, they remain a crucial part of the U.S. Navy's ability to project power, gather intelligence, and maintain strategic deterrence across the globe.